How to create your Xiaomi account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Xiaomi account. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now open up the first website. Now scroll down and tap on create account. Now tap on select your region. Now search for your region or country. Now tap on your country. Now enter your email address. Now now scroll down and tap on enter your password. Now create a password. Again scroll down and repeat the same password. Now once you're done, simply tap on I have read the agreements. Now tap on next. Now wait for some time and tap on I am not a robot. Now go back to the home screen and open up your email. Now open up the first mail. Now copy the code. Now go back to the web browser. Now paste the code here. Now tap on submit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.